Take your driveway cleaning to the next level with our SlipStream Pro 20X and 22-inch surface cleaner. The Pro 20X lets you clean much faster with its upgraded pump that moves 18 litres of water per minute and 22-inch triple head surface cleaner. This pressure washer contains all the features of our highly successful Pro 20, but it's packed with even more power and improved functions. This machine is ideal for larger industrial, commercial or domestic properties